Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a DAT160 tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all OEM versions of the DAT160. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix a faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. Due to the nature of DAT160 drives and how they do not spool media out of a tape cartridge in the fashion that other forms of tape drive do, there is no manual extraction for DAT160 tape drives. In order to extract a tape from a DAT160, the drive will need to be powered on. You will need to press and hold the eject button on the front of the drive for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear the drive start to work to unload the tape, and you can release the eject button. After the drive finishes rewinding the tape, the drive will push the tape out. It can be removed and the drive can now be powered down. The extraction is complete. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a DAT160 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.